Let me start recording. Shri Guru Bhyo Namaha. Om Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. Today we are going to see regular charity as an investment to benefit generations. SIP and SWP gross as charity, one can start with just 200 rupees per month SIP for 100 years. How to create an account for 100 years is to make a trust, and the trust can invest in mutual fund. We will see later. On depositing SIP of 200 rupees per month and increasing at the rate of 5%, that is, step up is 5% per year, and the corpus generated comes to 510 crore, and the retirement benefit, that is the SWP, your generation can enjoy from 2.66 crore per month up to 10.76 crore per month, and leaving a final fund value at 125 years is 2,296.46 crore. This is more than 2,000 crore as the final fund value. Say the person depositing 500 rupees, it will become 5,700 crore. Depositing 1,000 rupees, starting with SIP of 1,000 rupees, one can build at 11,482.76 crore. 11,482.76 crore as the fund value. We will see later. Disclaimer. I am Brahmadesham Narsimhayer Venkataraman. This video presentation is for information, educational and estimation purposes only, and not to recommend buy or sell, invest or redeem your funds. Every investment has its own associated risk, and without knowing the risk, don't invest. I am neither an agent, nor a broker, nor any advisor, simply an analyst with computer background. The previous videos, we had discussed some SIP schemes and types of SWP schemes in InflayPro way. In this session, we will discuss about some SIP and SWP gross figures with charity as an investment. Assumptions: entry age 1, charity for a period of 100 years. Step up during SIP is 5%. Step up during SWP is 6%. Rate of return during SIP as well as SWP is 12% per annum per month. Withdrawal years from 101 withdrawal years to 125 years. The current age is 1, SIP age is 100, and maturity age is 125 years. Say here is a table which shows the SIP and SWP gross as charity. With an SIP of 200 rupees per month, varying at 5%, goes up to 25,048 in 100 years. Retirement corpus is 510.89 crore, and SWP, the pension, would be from 2.66 crore to 10.76 crore, and the final fund value would be 2,296 crore. This will be sufficient to feed so many generations. So one starts with 500 rupees. Say a person earning 20,000 rupees can spend for charity at a rate of rupees 200 or 1% of the salary. Similarly, if a person earning 50,000 rupees, the 1% comes to 500 rupees. If 500% he invests in charities, similar fund value, similar benefit would be available for further generations. Shirdi Sai Baba puts it as if his bucks gives 1 rupee donation, he should return back 10 rupees. This is what the Shirdi Sai Baba mentioned about it. Say for a person earning 1 lakh rupees, he can invest 1,000 rupees SIP, and in 100 years it will go to 1,25,000 rupees, and the corpus generated would be 2,554.55 crore. Out of this, he can start withdrawing 13.28 crore up to 53.78 crore and leaving a final fund value of 11,482 crore. See, as a one time, if one cannot do regular SIPs, one can think of doing one-time SIPs, one-time investment in a trust account, say to leave it for about 100 years. That is, start investing 34,000 rupees. It will be similar to what he had been investing in 200 rupees per month SIP the previous case. 34,000 rupees or 84,000 rupees equivalent to 500 rupees every month. Similarly, 1,67,000 rupees. Similarly, 1,67,000 rupees one-time investment for 100 years, yes, from 13.31 crore to 53.78 crore. Sorry, 53.91 crore. I will correct it. $53.92 crore, 91 crore. Similarly, previous figure also 27.12 crore, and the other previous figure is 10.97 or 98 crore. I have corrected it. You can see in the menu. Person investing 34,000 rupees one time in 100 years can see a maturity benefit of 2,300 crore, and 84,000 rupees is one time investor can allow his generation to fetch 5,789 crore in 125 years. A person investing 1,67,000 rupees at one time can get a maturity value of 11,510 rupees. 11,510 crore rupees as the maturity. The SWP starts, in the case of 34,000 rupees one time, it starts with 2.71 crore, 2 crore 71 lakh. 84,000 rupees wala, the SWP start with 6.69 crore. For 1,67,000 rupees, the SWP starts with 13.31 crore. This 13.31 crore is just equivalent to 3.92 lakh per month of current value per month. Similarly, the 11,510 crore final maturity value is equivalent to current value of 7.92 crore. A guess. Common man handling in thousands of crore. In 100 years, common man handling figures like 11,510 crore, 57 lakh, 12,485.74 paisa. It will be very tedious to account it even in computerized ones. Therefore, in 100 years, the currency system itself will change. Say, with 1 lakh to be new currency in paisa, like counting always up to nearest lakh. Say, the above figure to be 11,510.57 crore. Rounding or truncating less than 1 lakh rupees, people will talk only in crores. The avenues for daan. Regular daan, this first daan means charity. Regular daan at every Amavasya, new moon, remembering our forefathers. Regular daan every day, say by feeding a deserving person. Daan during Antyeshti, the death time. Regular daan as yajna to Pitra, Rishi, Deva, Bhutha, Manusha yajna. This is called Panchamaha yajna. One can do this daan in this way also, spending the death money. And someone, Dr. D.A. Joseph Iyengar, mentioned daan to be at 1% of your earnings. Even if you think charity begins at home, spend on your children without any anticipation that the same children would look after you in old age. Links of playlist is given in the description box below. The links for previous videos are also given in the description box. Once you practice at least for 3 years in mutual fund schemes, one can learn analyzing company fundamentals and venture into investing into equities in share market. Request viewers to subscribe, like and share to like-minded people. Links are available in the description box below. Thanks for watching. Let me close it. Let me stop recording.